Hello, I'm Nikki Szpira, a licensed veterinary technician and one of the suture specialists at Surgical Specialties. In every orthopedic procedure, good outcomes rely on the surgeon's ability to adapt to unique challenges, but they all have one thing in common: incisional closure. Many studies cite that incisional complications are commonplace with any surgical procedure in animals. In one published paper looking retrospectively at complications in TPLO procedures, there were 126 reported complications and almost 40% were incisional related. Factors such as knot breakage, burying bulky knots in thin tissue, and closing tissue under tension can lead to discomfort for the patient, causing licking and chewing, seroma formation, and infection. 80% of suture failures happen at the knot, which has been widely published as the weakest part of a suture. Knots are time-consuming, can split or slip while under tension, and can act as nidus for infection. Resolving these complications can take significant time and attention, with repeat visits and potentially difficult conversations with your clients. To solve this, Surgical Specialties developed the Quill Veterinary Barb Suture, giving you the speed of a running stitch, security of an interrupted stitch without relying on knots to secure the closure. By eliminating knots, Quill has been demonstrated to close wounds up to 50% faster than traditional methods and eliminate tissue irritation associated with bulky knots and suture tags. Today, Quill is used in any procedure requiring tissue approximation, from orthopedic wound closure to gastropexies and even spay closures. Quill technology has been used for over 15 years in human procedures and is the suture of choice in millions of procedures each year. Restore comfort faster and eliminate knot-related irritation and infection with Quill Veterinary Barb Suture. Learn more and try it for free by visiting us at surgicalspecialties.com/quill-vet-kit.